Rica. So we spent the week filming, but also flying around on these ATVs through the jungle. It's been freaking amazing. But this is, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour right now. And just why? Why? I want to know why. I want to know why. The chicken crossed the road. Yeah. Costa Rica, pura vida. Dogs, wild horses, monkeys, just running around. You just pop around on these ATVs, and there's cars, but not that many. But it's mostly an ATV, motorcycle, bicycle, walking life. And therefore, I've seen maybe, seriously, one overweight person. Food's amazing. It's like fisherman to table or farm to table. It's all local stuff. It's that difference between what we get when it's been frozen or picked unripe and then letting ripen in the supermarket or on your kitchen counter. But food here is just so fresh and it's nice. It's a nice lifestyle. The people here are lovely, very positive. And what's kind of cool is that you see people who've transplanted themselves from the States and from Argentina, and they get here and they fall in love with the ocean and the lifestyle, and they just don't go back. And I can see why. And then there's a celebrity element that's happening here, which is Tom Brady's got a pad here, and Matt Damon too. And I believe the reason is that no one's trying to take a selfie with him. Matter of fact, the only people taking a selfie on this trip was probably us. You know, it's just not that kind of thing. Look how beautiful this is though. No street signs, no speed limit, zero police presence. They have a drink here that's called cacique, which is their sugar cane. It's kind of like, it tastes a little like vodka to me, like absolute vodka, or somewhere between that and rum, and it's called cacique, which is alcohol of the sugar cane. One of the interesting things I saw yesterday was we took this about a 40-minute ATV ride to go ride horses onto the beach and stuff. What was interesting is that one of the people I met at a restaurant, she talked about her dog just leaves in the morning and goes out all day and then comes back at night. It's the funniest thing. So there's a picture that I posted that was me catching the drone out of the air, and her dogs was, we were like telling the story to her when we saw her at the restaurant later, and she was saying that, yeah, oh, that's my dog. That's so funny. Come here! Come on! What are you doing, crazy dog?
You fucking love like Costa Rica, but it makes you forget the real ya. Spending the days drinking tequila. You think you live the pura vida.
So, thanks for listening. Peace out. Pura vida.